really, one of the things I wanted to bring to mind for all of us, and I mentioned this as we were getting started, is that I hear from so many people that I'm doing all the self care and I'm not feeling like myself. Because when we talk about intuition, a lot of people imagine that it's something mystical, it's something that's magical at play. But it really isn't magic. It's our brain and our body at work. And as we learn to tune in more consistently, we'll figure out some practical ways that we can connect with that inner guidance. When we speak of intuition, it's those subtle feelings that we might have, those nudges, those hunches, some things that we often experience in our body. So intuition's not a mystical process, it's our brain and body collaborating. So the other thing I like to point out here is that every single one of us has a brain, right? Which might be stating the obvious, but I say that because the that means every single one of us then has the ability or the capacity to work intuitively, to tune into our intuition, to guide our day to day, and maybe even the broader things as well that we want to tap into our intuition for. And learning to tune back in helps us honor the brain at work and reconnect with our inner wisdom. And with that, I also want to share one overlooked ingredient often in tuning into our intuition is our self compassion. When we judge ourselves for not knowing or not being good enough or overreacting or whatever it might be, and we then dismiss our inner signals, our stress system is activated, right? But with self compassion, the whispers of intuition can finally be heard, start to be recognized. And this is something everyone is wired for. And it's something we can practice, strengthen, and learn to trust.